If you are someone who's struggling and ambitious, or if you're someone who's broke and trying to hustle every day, and you have your dreams and aspirations that you're working at and just can't seem to get there, this video is for you guys. Now, there have been so many times in my life where I try to do something. I'll have a goal in mind, I'll have achievement in mind, and there's a straight path to my achievement. I just don't have the funds, or I just don't have the money to fund what I want to do. And now, my best advice to you guys is, and this is I'll just be straightforward in this video. You guys need to stop spending money on useless things, because when you do this, you're not going to have any capital to actually do what you want to do. And most of the times, you doing what you want to do would get you to where you want to be very quickly. And also, when you get there, you'll be making even more money. So why don't you just sacrifice the money now and get to where you want to be as soon as possible? I know so many people that when they get money, right? Now I understand if you guys have bills and stuff, yes, pay them off. But I know so many people that when they have a tiny amount of money, they spend it on the most dumbest thing that they can think of. And if you get offended when I say that, it's a good thing, because you know that you have things that you have your goals and your dreams that you're trying to work towards, but you're spending it on dumb stuff. You know, for me, example, I'll take myself for example. Whenever I get money, I will, first of all, whenever I'm thinking of buying something, when whatever it is, I ask myself, is that thing going to make me generate more money? I spend a lot of money on this mic and on this camera, right? I'm not saying that to flex on you guys. I'm just saying it to show you that I'm spending money on things that help me to make more money. And now you guys will spend money on things like food. Yes, food is fine, but do you really need to eat expensive food every single day? You know, shouldn't you eat something? You don't need to go to the restaurant every single day. Shouldn't you eat something that, just fills you up, and then you could keep working on whatever it is you're working? There's so many people that just spend money on useless stuff that doesn't benefit them, that doesn't improve them in any way, shape, or form. And to be honest, we need those type of people. And if you get offended, it's a good thing, because the competition can't be high. There are people that are hungry. There are people that are going to be killers out there, will be killing the game in whatever industry or field that they're doing, and they are going to be successful. So honestly, if you're watching this, it's either you're someone who knows what your goals are and will eliminate everything else and die trying to get to your goals, or you're someone who just sits there in the background watching other people achieve their dreams. Now you have to decide who you want to be. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to so I can put more videos out to you guys like this. My channel talks about helping African youth generate financial freedom and build wealth online and see their first 10K month. Um, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, from Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.